IRONBUILT, the weekly YouTube show where I document all the epic projects I have going on here in my shop. Every Wednesday I'll be coming out with a new episode documenting some new project that I'm working on. It'll be stuff like knives, swords, Damascus projects, all that kind of good stuff. And I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm still working on developing my own personal style for these videos. I want to go for something kind of unique, something that's my own. I haven't quite figured that out yet, so the format and structure may kind of be changing as things go along and everything gets solidified. Also, go ahead over to dunstanforge.com/store. If you want to support the show, I've got awesome t-shirts here. It says IRONBUILT across the front, the name of the show. And then on the back, the text reads, "I was born without claws, without fangs, without scales, so I forged them in fire and crafted them in steel." I think it's a really cool quote. It kind of speaks a lot to blacksmith mindset of just creating tools from raw materials and pulling stuff together, pulling all the 4 elements together and making something amazing and new.
So, since I didn't have any other projects to show, I thought I'd show you guys my hydraulic press. It's been a massive time saver and it's really helped improve my production and workflow. So the first thing I'll do when making a Damascus billet is grind off all the scale with the angle grinder to make sure I have a nice clean surface. Then I tack weld it together, just to hold it together in the forge so nothing slips apart. After that, throw it in the forge, let it heat up, and I'll bring it out and give it a few light taps on the anvil just to kind of set everything and make sure nothing falls apart. After that, I'll go to the press and really start drawing it out. You can see here that the press does quite a good job at stock reduction. It's a 30-ton press, and I found that works quite well for what I'm doing. It also has pretty good ram speed. I'm able to move material pretty quickly with it. Now I'll take a soapstone and mark the billet where I'm going to cut it in thirds and restack. I also kind of nick it with a chisel just so I can see where the mark is once I've heated it up. Then I use the hot cut and chop it off. After that, restack, re-weld, flux, throw it in the forge, and draw it out into a nice flat bar. And then it's ready to make a knife out of.
Anyway, that's all I have for you guys this week. Go over to Instagram and follow me at dunstanforge. I post daily photos there of what I'm working on here in the shop, behind the scenes stuff. I also do some giveaways over there, so stay tuned for that for sure. Also, I'd love to hear what you guys would like to see me make next. So if you have any ideas for any cool projects, stuff like that, definitely let me know. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell as well to make sure you're notified when I upload new videos. Stay tuned for next Wednesday when I'm going to have a pretty cool project lined up for you guys. I think you're going to like it.